you are on belay and ready to go. And I guess one of the upsides is you don't have to clean anything now, right?
Lucky me.
Yeah, lucky you. Dude, that's the most run out I've ever been in my entire life. That's a solid 150-foot run out.
Yeah, I was about to say that was at least 150 feet of run out.
Imagine whipping 300 feet.
Actually, I'd rather not imagine it, but it did go through my mind, Timmy tic-tacking down the mountain.
Yeah, that would be less than ideal. Let me know when you're ready to climb. It goes pretty quick. It's pretty much just walking up it for most of it. There's a little bit of like slab technique, I guess, but most of it you're just basically walking up it. Honestly, if you want, you can just leave the back. Actually, no, don't do that. I was gonna say you could leave the backpack, but I want the drone.
I'm already wearing it anyway.
All right, well, let me know when you're ready.
Climbing.
What'd you say?
Climbing.
Climb on.
It looks like there's a chopped bolt right here.
I saw that, and then I contemplated putting a micro tri-cam in there.
Lamau. Mad lad hours. Damn. We did it.
Come up here and then you can untie. Just clip and snap. That's so scary. Yeah, I looked. I can't see any anchors. But... You down for another route?